In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to do image Google search on your iPhone. First of all, you have to install the Google app on your iPhone. You can easily install the Google app from App Store. Once it's installed, go ahead and launch the Google app. Now tap on this lens icon, tap on allow. Here tap on continue. And you can use your iPhone camera to search anything, or you can just tap on this gallery icon, allow full access. Now from your gallery you can select an image and you can select the image area. For example, I want to search for this shoe, so here as you can see the result for the specific shoe. So that's how you can actually use Google image search on our iPhone.